English sentences with Tagalog translations using the words also and to na sa Tagalog ay rin o din. I also thought the same thing. I also thought the same thing. Ganoon din ang naisip ko. She likes going out too. She likes going out too. Mahilig din siyang lumabas. You be careful too. You be careful too. Mag-ingat ka rin. He wants to come over too. He wants to come over too. Gusto rin niyang pumunta rito. She also wears glasses. She also wears glasses. Nakasalamin din siya. I noticed the difference too. I noticed the difference too. Napansin ko rin ang pagkakaiba. I also asked him the same thing. I also asked him the same thing. Ganoon din ang itinanong ko sa kanya. I like that too. I like that too. Gusto ko rin yon. We had a good time too. We had a good time too. Nag-enjoy din kami. I also believe in that. I also believe in that. Naniniwala rin ako ron. I also worked there before. I also worked there before. Nagtrabaho rin ako ron dati. That happened to me too. That happened to me too. Nangyari rin yun sa akin. She also sings well. She also sings well. Magaling din siyang kumanta. I also like that movie. I also like that movie. Nagustuhan ko rin ang pelikulang yon. We also bought snacks. We also bought snacks. Bumili rin kami ng merienda. He also knows the manager. He also knows the manager. Kilala rin niya ang manager. I also stayed up late. I also stayed up late. Nagpuyat din ako. She also wore a red dress. She also wore a red dress. Pulang damit din ang isinuot niya. I brought extra pants too. I brought extra pants too. Nagdala rin ako ng ekstrang pantalon. He also knows how to cook. He also knows how to cook. Marunong din siyang magluto. He invited me to the party too. He invited me to the party too. Inimbitahan din niya ako sa party. I also work from home. I also work from home. Nagtatrabaho rin ako sa bahay. I need to rest too. I need to rest too. Kailangan ko ring magpahinga. I also take vitamins. I also take vitamins. Nagbibitamina rin ako. I also feel that way. I also feel that way. Ganon din ang nararamdaman ko. She also gave me a gift. She also gave me a gift. Niregaluhan niya rin ako. I also have 3 dogs. I also have 3 dogs. May 3 rin akong aso. He likes reading books too. He likes reading books too. Mahilig din siyang magbasa ng mga libro. I also have that t-shirt. I also have that t-shirt. May ganyan din akong kamiseta. She's a fan of pineapples too. She's a fan of pineapples too. Mahilig din siya sa pinya. She also called me yesterday. She also called me yesterday. Tinawagan niya rin ako kahapon. He's watching that show too. He's watching that show too. Pinapanood niya rin ang palabas na yon. I also drink tea. I also drink tea. Umiinom din ako ng tsaa. They went to Europe too. They went to Europe too. Nagpunta rin sila sa Europe. I brought my laptop too. I brought my laptop too. Dinala ko rin ang laptop ko.